Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Meg and Ryan's third Section 8 rental property, guys. This is gonna be a home run. If you haven't seen the original video I posted on this, please watch that first. To give you insight into how much work has been done here, you need to see that. And this house has had just so much work being done. We're about a week away from being 100% completed here. I wanna walk you through it and tell you a little bit about what we've done, what still needs to be done. And of course, if you've seen the original, you know how much work has been done. So big project, a ton of plumbing work, ton of electrical work. Everything cosmetic in this house has been touched. Brand new roof. We went with a metal roof on this one. I want to walk you through it and just show you a little bit. Rent on this, it's a 4-bedroom. We're looking at between $1,300 and $1,400 a month. It was a cash purchase. They bought it for, I believe, around $30,000 in cash. My other video has it dialed in, so please check that out. And let's walk through it. We'll talk about it, and you'll be able to see the transformation. Okay. So as we walk through here, guys, if you recall, originally this was one big room. So we built a wall right here, which on the back side of this is now going to be bedroom number 2. Now, originally, when you came in here on the right, we had bedroom number 1, okay? So now this is bedroom number 2, all brand new subfloor throughout the entire home. Okay, we'll get more into that as we circle back around. But, so as we walk through here, guys, this is the wall that we built. And you'll see that we now have bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 1 over there, bedroom number 2 right here. Really nice bedroom, of course, all new doors and everything like that. This room did not exist. So we've turned it from a 3-bedroom into a 4. So as we walk through bedroom number 2, we come down a long hallway here into the kitchen. So this kitchen, everything that we have done in here, we have brand new countertops, all brand new lower cabinets. Upper cabinets are not in yet, or they might be in some of these boxes actually. So really nice. I'm thrilled with how this turned out. All brand new electrical, all new plumbing under the house, all new sewer lines. So really nice. If you recall, guys, all this was caving in subfloor. So all this subfloor has been replaced. All the subfloor in this room has been replaced as well. This final landing piece will also be replaced, but everything else in here has all been replaced, including the subfloor in this bathroom. So all brand new plumbing. If you guys remember what this looked like beforehand, holy crap. So everything brand new in here. You see all the new water lines, you see the new sewer lines and all the new drain lines here. So we'll go toilet right there, sink right here, and of course the tub is in, and then we'll do the shower piece right there as well. So crazy transformation. Moving to bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3, we got the vanity and the sink. Keep it out of that room until everything's 100% done in that bathroom. But bedroom number 3 looks amazing. I'm really thrilled about how this has turned out, especially with the condition that it was in. And one of the things, guys, that so many people make the tragic mistake, and the tragic mistake that people make is they see the $30,000 house online, on Zillow, Realtor, through a wholesaler, whatever it is. And they underestimate the amount of work that needs to be done. They underestimate what happens when you start peeling back the layers of a home that hasn't been lived in. I don't think this house has been lived in for probably between 5 and 10 years, which is why when you look at that old video, you'll see, obviously no one's been in there for a long time. There was water pouring through the roof, which was then pouring through the ceilings, which then caused the ceilings to collapse. So this whole ceiling, if you look, everything's brand new. Everything's brand new. So all brand new ductwork, all brand new electrical, all brand new lights, everything in here is new because it was all caving in. So when the building inspector comes down to look at this, they also say, hey, you need to do all new things here. So you can't really bang a nail until you come up with a plan to redo all of this stuff. So getting into this and buying property that is cheap, there is a lot that goes into it. And you have to make sure that you're prepared and that your team understands how to buy it. So if you're an out-of-state buyer or an out-of-country buyer, which we have a ton of clients who live all over the world as well as all throughout the US, you have to know that your team can handle projects like this and can go into a house that is 30 grand and has all these issues and can correct them the right way. Because if not, you're gonna run into huge problems. So that is a big part of what we do. And I told Ryan and Meg when we got into this, it was gonna be a big project, and it is. And the beautiful thing about it, when you can go into these houses and you can do everything the right way, the person that moves into these houses is then not gonna have to deal with any problems. So electrical here, plumbing here, all the cosmetic things that we did, we fixed the floors, the ceilings, I mean, everything. It's all brand new. So whoever ends up moving in here is not gonna have problems with that. And do you spend a little bit more money to get things done the right way? Absolutely you do. But the trade-off to that is two things. Number one, the person that moves in here, there's no hassle. They don't have constant problems. So they stay longer. They're happier here. And as landlords, we want to reduce turnover as best we can. So providing a really nice place to live that has a limited amount of hassle is extremely important. But then secondly, maintenance costs. So would you rather spend the money and have it be cheaper? Now, it's more expensive to do the work, of course, but in the long run, it's cheaper to do work when the walls are already open, when the ceilings are open, when the plumbing's exposed, when we can get in and rewire a house and do all that stuff. It's a lot cheaper to do it that way when we're building it. So from a landlord investor perspective, it's a lot better to do things during the rehab, and it's more cost effective. So if you guys want to do this, you absolutely can. If you want to use a team that has done this hundreds and if not thousands of times, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. I'll walk you through this entire thing together. I'm gonna do everything with you from start to finish. Make sure that we do it the right way. If you're interested in that, guys, send me an email. Otherwise, questions, comments, please drop them below and I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.